Well, good morning, everybody. Day 4 on the Appalachian Trail. Stayed at Four Pines last night. Very nice hostel. Got some dinner, Taco Tuesday. Got a shower, got some laundry done. Did a little resupply, relaxed a little. Smoked a cigar, obviously. Real nice, relaxing. So we're starting today. We got 8.4 to go to Catawba Shelter. Hiking today with Kathleen, who is also a flip-flopper, so she's up ahead of me. But should be a good day. Supposed to be hot, but raring to go. So we'll see you down the trail. Yeah, so I have to say the first 3 days was really hard. I forgot how much ups and downs there are on the trail, but we're making it. You know, the bad thing is I can only do a week. Then I got to go up and take care of some birthday parties for my grandkids, and then come back to finish up my flip-flop. But meeting a lot of good people. Hopefully I can catch them down the road. But yeah, I should have some good views today, and we'll get this party rolling.
No, you can't do that.
I'll get it when I get back.